Welcome to our third video on the Gaming Gears series. Today we are reviewing the best gaming keyboards. If you want to find more information on the headsets, you can always check out the description below. The keyboard is your biggest connection to your computer, since it's the part that you touch the most. Therefore, getting a better one can mean a more instantly noticeable difference than upgrading your CPU even. If you're a gamer, your choice in keyboard is even more critical. You need something that can team up with your natural gaming skills and is comfortable for long gaming sessions and typing too. Appealing design choices to accompany your rig wouldn't hurt either. At number 11, the Razer Huntsman Mini. If you have a small desk or make a lot of big swipes with your mouse, a small keyboard is a godsend. You'll have to live without a numpad or even arrow keys, so this is a hard adjustment for productivity. But if you can get down with this small form factor, the Huntsman Mini is one of the best. The Huntsman Mini uses the brand's optical mechanical switch technology. Razer's clicky optical switches are good for gaming because they're so light, only requiring 45 grams of force. However, there could be a pinging noise or a metallic ding alongside the clicky noise when pressing or releasing a key more aggressively. At 10, the MSI Vigor GK50. It is one of the best gaming keyboards for those who prioritize typing. Its low-profile Kale chalk switches brings back memories of typewriters with its shamelessly loud clicks. It has the fast response, which makes our fingers want to get moving even faster. It's not the perfect keyboard. For example, the stiffer shift key can be a hindrance, and the stiffer spacebar may affect the ability to use it rapidly while gaming. The accompanying software doesn't download properly at the moment, so RGB and other customization is limited. However, this clacker is also cheaper than most of the others on this list. It has the speedy switches that gamers need with a design they like, plus a typing experience that made us feel nostalgic and eager to get to work. At 9, the SteelSeries Apex Pro. It is the best gaming keyboard for RGB, boasting some of the most brilliant per-key RGB lighting we've ever seen. The colors pop against the keyboard's dark gray frame and light up the rest of the chassis. Raised keycaps heighten the experience even more. Plus, software and on-the-fly controls make the possibilities feel endless. This keyboard also has the innovative ability to set the actuation point for individual keys for a highly custom feel. This is a rare trick and one that the Apex Pro delivers in an effective fashion. There's also the popular OLED screen, where you can display a small image or GIF you upload. Not only is the Apex Pro highly customizable, it makes doing easier than even a hot swappable keyboard. If you want a keyboard you can easily put your mark on, look no further. 8th on the list is the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT. If you're willing to spend on a premium mechanical gaming keyboard, then this won't let you down. It is one of the best gaming keyboards in this list but is expensive, partially thanks to features that some won't find necessary. It's the latest iteration of Corsair's flagship K95, and this time Corsair's upped the ante on luxuries like double-shot keycaps and a padded leather wrist rest. Streamers even get support for Elgato Stream Deck software, which is usable with the keyboard's 6 macro keys. Corsair tops it off with familiar high-end mechanical keyboard choices, including a brushed aluminum build, volume wheel and per-key RGB lighting. Next on the list is the Razer Huntsman. Razer has shaken up the mechanical keyboard scene with its opto-mechanical switches that bring lightning-fast activation by use of an optical light sensor. With any optical mechanical switch, pressing a key activates a receiver through a light signal. The Huntsman uses Razer's purple optical switches, which actuate at just 1.5 mm with 45 grams of force. The lights and clicky switches sound are awesome. They also had the ideal amount of resistance and a delightful noise when bottoming out. For the gamer who can live without the luxuries that the Elite version adds, the standard Huntsman is an ideal gaming companion, especially if you can find it at a significantly lower cost than the Huntsman Elite. At number 6, the Corsair K100 RGB. It packs more features than most need, including some you've never even fathomed a keyboard could have. It supports multi-threading and also has a 4000 Hz polling rate, the debut of Corsair's homegrown optical mechanical switches, and an RGB-clad media wheel that's as fun to use as it is to look at. The extra wheel is helpful for productivity tasks, such as zooming in and out of Photoshop. This may be less useful for gaming, as did some of the other features that make this keyboard so expensive. Of course, the K100 RGB still makes for one of the best gaming keyboards. We could actually tell the difference offered by the optical mechanical switch's shorter travel and actuation point. While also expensive, it offers more gaming obvious luxuries, like a macro key bank and support for the Elgato Stream Deck. At 5, the HyperX Alloy Origins. Its compact and quality build make it the best gaming keyboard for mainstream gamers who just want to get down to gaming. It's comfortable with a premium look and feel, from its keys to its frame, and vibrant RGB lighting. If you're familiar with linear switches, you'll feel right at home with this keyboard's red switches. For what the Alloy Origins does offer, it executes excellently. At number 4, the Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro. If you want the same experience as your typical full-sized mechanical gaming keyboard, but just want to cut the cord, this is the best wireless gaming keyboard for you. While some wireless keyboards are built for traveling, the BlackWidow V3 Pro offers all the size, bulk and functionality of a full-sized mechanical, including a tactile and premium volume dial, additional media keys, an aluminum top plate and double-shot ABS plastic keycaps. Razer didn't skimp on this gaming keyboard, packing it up with 4 profiles of onboard memory and vibrant per-key RGB lighting. However, RGB doesn't stick to profiles, so advanced RGB fanatics will have to rely on software for pairing RGB, including custom effects, to profiles. Entering into the top 3 is the Logitech G915 TKL. It is definitely one of the best gaming keyboards you can get when going cable-free. The keyboard offers great wireless performance. You have the option to connect via Bluetooth or a USB Type-A dongle powered by Logitech's Lightspeed technology. For mainstream gaming, the keyboard is as responsive as a wired one without dropouts. This also frees up more desk space for your mouse and makes a very expensive mechanical keyboard a tad more accessible. You can find the G915 TKL with 3 different types of mechanical switches, either tactile, clicky, or linear. Regardless, the switch will be from Logitech's low-profile GL line and have 2.7mm travel rather than the traditional 4mm. That means quicker actuation while gaming and typing. Second on the list is the Cooler Master CK552. Some of the best gaming keyboards come with a hefty price tag. If you're not willing to break the piggy bank for a keyboard, then this is for you. You get a full-sized keyboard with an aluminum top plate, which is often reserved for pricey keyboards and points to welcomed longevity. The CK552 also comes with multiple switch options. Available with Gateron brand linear, clicky, or tactile switches, you should enjoy a great mechanical experience, even if the finicky may find it not as stable or premium as other mechanical switch brands. This has up to 4 profiles of onboard memory and on-the-fly macro recording, plus per-key RGB, to make up for any feelings of subpar when it comes to gaming. It can also work with the Cooler Master Portal software, although that's not as advanced as competitor peripheral software. Patriot Viper V765 tops the list with a key field that's second to none in an attractive, very affordable package, making it the best gaming keyboard for most. It's the only mass-market keyboard we've seen that uses Kale box white switches, which actuate faster than regular blue or green switches thanks to their slightly reduced travel of 3.6mm. The keys are the most responsive and even make a more pleasant click sound than you'll find elsewhere. The awesome switches alone make the Viper V765 worth buying, but it's also a great-looking peripheral. The full-size keyboard has an aluminum top surface with tapered edges that make it look like a metallic spaceship. The vibrant RGB keys offer dozens of different light combinations, along with the ability to create your own color patterns. The Viper software is nothing to type home about, but you don't even need to install it in order to use most of the lighting effects. Thanks for watching this video so far, and we hope you find it useful. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Cheerios.